Welcome back to Masonry Studio. I'm David Abrams, founder and CEO of Masonry. My entire life, I've said I'm street smart, I'm not book smart. And it was only up until about 6 or 8 months ago that I had this epiphany. I wasn't being taught the right way. In school, elementary, high school, college, I sat in class, I paid attention, I took notes. Most of the time, my friends took my notes and did better on the tests. And so I just said I wasn't a good test taker. I read the questions, I answered it differently. I don't know, but I wasn't a good student. Years later, I recognize I am a good student. It just has to be taught to me in the way that I absorb properly. Video is the answer for me in a lot of this, but it's reading books as well. It's things that I attach to that I actually enjoy now, instead of just blanket statements saying, I don't read. I've read the newspaper for years, and to me that was just facts on a daily basis, but how much value one can get from a book today is amazing. And it really took up until about 6 or 8 months ago for me to recognize that I can learn. And so I want to teach in that manner. Masonry Studio is turning the lights on tutorials. I was on a call last week with a client. We're working on a large deal, and we have architects, engineers, contractors on a lot of these calls. This was just principles. And we were trying to mark up a floor plan to expedite to get it out to the tenant. I said, guys, I'm on the call. Let's just jump onto Photoshop. I had Zoom open. The landlord was annotating on the screen. We had an amazing fast call, and we got everything done. In an upcoming video will be the first tutorial made by Masonry Studio, where we walk step by step of just the basics of what you can do in Photoshop to be a value add to a landlord, to a client, to a tenant. Let us know what you want to learn about. It does not have to be real estate specific. If we know it, we'll try to teach it. Tune back in the next couple of weeks. I'm David Abrams, founder and CEO of Masonry.